Hey there, juice enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting episode for you as we dive into the world of juicers. If you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle or just want to enjoy the freshest juices right at home, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the best juicers of 2024, so you can make an informed decision when it comes to your juicing journey. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Slow masticating juicer machine, easy to clean, quiet motor and reverse function, BPA-free, cold press juicer with brush, 150 watts, charcoal black, NBJ 50300, 24 ounce is a popular juicer that uses a slow masticating process to extract juice from fruits and vegetables. This process is more gentle than traditional juicing methods, which can help preserve more nutrients and enzymes in the juice. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer has a number of features that make it a convenient and easy-to-use juicer, including a wide 3-inch feed chute that allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without having to cut them up into small pieces, a powerful 150-watt motor that can juice even the toughest fruits and vegetables, a quiet operation that makes it less disruptive to use than other juicers, a reverse function that can help to clear any jams that may occur, a BPA-free design for peace of mind. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer also comes with a number of accessories, including a juice container, a pulp container, a cleaning brush, and a recipe book. Here are some of the pros and cons of the NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Pros: gentle juicing process that preserves more nutrients and enzymes, wide feed chute that allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables, powerful motor, quiet operation, reverse function, BPA-free design. Comes with a number of accessories. Cons: can be slower than other types of juicers, may not be able to extract as much juice from certain fruits and vegetables as other juicers. Some users have reported that the juicer can be difficult to clean overall. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer is a good option for people who are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use juicer that produces high-quality juice. It is especially well suited for people who are new to juicing or who are looking for a juicer that is quiet. Number 4. The Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a masticating juicer that uses a slow, gentle process to extract juice from fruits and vegetables. This process preserves more of the nutrients and enzymes in the juice than traditional high-speed juicers. The H200 has a number of features that make it easy to use and clean, including a self-feeding hopper that fits whole fruits and vegetables, so you don't have to spend time chopping them up, a quiet motor that won't disturb your household, scrub-free cleaning thanks to the Easy Clean Chamber Set, which has elongated grooves instead of small holes, easy assembly and disassembly. The H200 is also made of BPA-free materials, so you can be sure that your juice is safe to drink. Overall, the Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a great choice for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, nutritious juice at home. It is easy to use and clean, and it produces high-quality juice. Here are some of the benefits of using a Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. Preserves more nutrients and enzymes in the juice than traditional high-speed juicers. Easy to use and clean. Quiet motor. Scrub-free cleaning. Easy assembly and disassembly. Made of BPA-free materials. If you are looking for a slow juicer that is easy to use and produces high-quality juice, the Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a great option. Number 3. The Omega J8006 HDS Cold Press Juicer Machine. Vegetable and fruit juice extractor and nutrition system is a masticating juicer. Masticating juicers use a slow, gentle process to extract juice from fruits and vegetables. This process preserves more nutrients and enzymes than other types of juicers. The Omega J8006 HDS has a triple-stage masticating system that extracts the maximum amount of juice from fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and wheatgrass. It also has an adjustable end cap with 3 settings to get the most juice out of different types of produce. In addition to juicing, the Omega J8006 HDS can also be used to make nut butters, extrude pasta, make fresh baby food, and grind coffee and spices. It is a versatile kitchen tool that can help you make a variety of healthy and nutritious foods. Here are some of the key features of the Omega J8006 HDS. Triple-stage masticating system for maximum juice yield. Adjustable end cap with 3 settings for different types of produce. Slow speed, 80 RPM, to preserve nutrients and enzymes. Easy cleaning, with automatic pulp ejection, Extra large feed tray built-in handle 200 watts of power 15-year warranty overall. The Omega J8006 HDS is a high-quality and versatile masticating juicer that is well worth the investment. It is a good choice for people who are serious about juicing and want to get the most nutrients out of their fruits and vegetables. Number 2. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer, Silver. BJE430SIL is a centrifugal juicer that features cold spin technology to minimize damage to delicate vitamins and minerals from heat and processing. It has a powerful 850-watt motor and a 3-inch extra-wide feed chute that allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. It also comes with a 70-ounce juice jug with froth separator and a detachable spout for juicing directly into a glass. Here are some of the key features of the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer. Cold spin technology minimizes damage to vitamins and minerals from heat and processing. 850-watt motor, powerful enough to juice even the toughest fruits and vegetables. 3-inch extra-wide feed chute, juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. 70-ounce juice jug with froth separator, separate the foam from your juice for a smoother, cleaner drink. Detachable spout for juicing directly into a glass, convenient for juicing smaller batches. 2-speed electronic control, choose the right speed for your fruits and vegetables. Safety locking arm, prevents operation when the cover is not locked in place. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer is a popular choice for people who want a high-performance juicer that can produce fresh, healthy juice with minimal nutrient loss. It is also relatively easy to use and clean. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer. Pros: powerful motor can juice even the toughest fruits and vegetables. Cold spin technology helps to preserve nutrients. Extra wide feed chute eliminates the need to pre-cut fruits and vegetables. Large juice jug with froth separator, detachable spout for juicing directly into a glass. Easy to use and clean. Cons: can be noisy, takes up some counter space. Some users have reported that the pulp collector can be difficult to empty. Overall, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Juicer is a great choice for people who are looking for a high-performance juicer that can produce fresh. Number 1. The Ninja JC151 Never Clog Cold Press Juicer is a powerful slow juicer that allows you to customize the amount of pulp in your juice. It is countertop electric and has 2 pulp functions, so you can make juice with less pulp or lots of pulp, depending on your preference. It is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Ninja JC151 Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. Pros: powerful motor that can juice even tough ingredients. 2 pulp functions for customization. Dishwasher safe, parts for easy cleaning. Compact size for easy storage. Relatively affordable price. Cons: can be slow to juice large batches. Some users have reported that the juicer can be noisy. The feed chute is not very wide, so you may need to cut your fruits and vegetables into smaller pieces. Overall, the Ninja JC151 Never Clog Cold Press Juicer is a good option for people who are looking for a powerful and affordable cold press juicer. It is especially well suited for people who want to be able to customize the amount of pulp in their juice. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the Ninja JC151 Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. It is important to clean the juicer thoroughly after each use to prevent bacteria growth. The juicer is not designed to juice hard ingredients, such as nuts and seeds. If you are juicing leafy greens, it is best to roll them up and insert them into the feed chute one at